It's now time for me to get ready because my mom and I are heading out to buy a few things and also for me to get a haircut. So it is now time to say goodbye to the blonde side. I'm retiring from this look. Although I wasn't able to pull a lot of looks with his hair, it is sadly now time for me to get rid of it. I'm gonna miss this look, but I'm definitely not gonna miss the unhealthy hair. This is just the fit, really, this tannish top from Shopee, and then these gray joggers from Forever 21, which I've definitely outgrown because the first time around I bought this when I was in 7th grade. I am now a 2nd year in college, and yeah, the first time around when I got these, they were really loose because they were big on me because I was short, but now they're like just the right size and length, so like you can definitely say and tell that I grew taller from back then and maybe grew more, if you know what I mean. But I'm gonna be using this bag that I've been using a lot more recently. Well, if anything, I only have 3 bags to really alternate, and yeah, this is the TikTok bag, aka Uniqlo bag. And you know how you usually, when I forgot what you call these bags, you usually wear it this way, right? See how it's camouflaging? Well, I wear it like a shoulder bag, you know? That's just how I roll with this bag. I want to clip my hair because it's in the way, but like I won't have any use of it right after I get my hair cut, because yes, I am cutting my hair that short that I won't even have to use a hair clip. Guys, this is gonna be your last time seeing me with long hair and with the blonde. Is it even considered blonde because of how faded out it is? But yeah, this is gonna be your last time seeing it. I love this look, but not the state of my hair. It's gonna be the last time seeing this hair. Yeah. Say goodbye to this look, guys. Hello everyone, I am now back home, as you can see, sitting on the ground, and yeah, here's my hair. It feels very bouncy and lighter now, and like, yeah, the service was really good. They really took care of me. Like, they even started massaging me, which took me by surprise because yeah, I didn't think they would be massaging me. But yeah, this is what my hair looks like. I don't know if I should have gone shorter. Oh, and yeah, I know I said it was time to say goodbye to the blonde-ish style. I guess my hair isn't really that grown out to the point that it could get cut off. Well, to be fair, I was thinking of a really shorter haircut, so maybe that's why. But regardless, it still looks pretty fine. Oh, okay, let me give you guys a spin of my hair. And yeah, I'm sweating right now because it was so hot in the elevator. Spin. Oh. Not very smooth spin, but you know, regardless, you can see my hair. Yeah. Oh, you know what I feel like? I feel like Sooyoung when she's dancing Forever One. Okay, I'm gonna make my TikTok now. Because I was doing a TikTok about my new hair, so.
전수말이 요리를 거의 안 하시는구만.
와 이거 진짜
Yo, that's like a huge space from the trip itself. Bro, there's like this much space. Scam, bro, scam. I'm telling my mom.
Very good. Yes.
And so I'm in my second year taking BS Entrepreneurship. Our first class just ended, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to sleep. Good night, everyone. Hello, everyone. It is currently 12:10 a.m. And yeah, I've just really been working on my video. I'm about to upload it in a while. I'll probably go to sleep at like 1 or 2. Yeah, I'll probably go to sleep at 2. But yeah, I'm finally uploading this video. Even though I intended to upload it on Saturday, but you know, I didn't. So my thoughts on the first day of school. Yeah, bro. The first day of school, first day back, you know, first day of sophomore year and all that. Like in my first class, I was getting so tense or nervous. I was getting so nervous because we had to do like an introduction, which took me by surprise. I mean, yeah, I do have the tendency to get really anxious a lot nowadays, especially when it comes to like talking in class. But like, you know, there are times where if I'm like really confident in myself, then, you know, I don't get that nervous, especially if I've been doing the class for like, you know, for quite a while. But I guess it's understandable today, but at the same time it was like weird, and like it really shocked me to see like how I was like getting nervous, that my hands were like shaking, and like just my heart was like beating so fast. But thankfully during the second subject, I didn't feel as tense or nervous as I did the first time around, so in a way it's like, oh, I got used to it again. I just finished working out with my new yoga mat that just arrived last night. We actually don't have classes today. We were supposed to, but like our teacher said that we were gonna meet next week, because I think she's doing a lot of sections, so it's like an alternate thing. So yeah, we don't have class today. And today I figured I should be doing some homework because we have some homeworks already. But like, nah, I'm gonna go out with my mom instead, because she's actually leaving today. So you guys are gonna see me ugly cry later when she leaves.
How do I cut it?
It's actually 2:43 right now. Clearly, as you can see, I actually haven't, well, not really, because I didn't film most of it, but I really haven't been doing anything, and it's about time that I actually start and force myself to do my homeworks. I mean, I only have 2. It's taken me this long because I've just been lazy, really. Yeah, I made milk tea. Yeah, I put it in the fridge because we didn't have ice, so yeah, I let it cool and get cold. Yeah, I'm gonna actually start acting like a college student again. It is currently 5:12, but technically I finished-ish at around 5 o'clock working on this essay. And yeah, the reason why I say ish is because I'm not really done quite yet, because it's supposed to be a minimum of 800 words and I have 778, and also because I'm not really sold with what I wrote, so I'm probably gonna check it again later and see what else I could write, and maybe I'll have better ideas or better thoughts on what to write. I started around 2:40, 2:50, 2, 3, 4. So I took like almost 2 hours. No, I did take 2 hours, and yeah, that's because I did have a short break in the middle of it because I accidentally spilled my waters. Yeah, I took a break after that because I had to clean it, and right after it, I was like, you know what, let me use my phone. Really, I was just searching if I were to die, if water got in an extension cord. I'm all good, guys. It is the 5th day of the first week, and I think this time around we're actually gonna have class this time because it's going to be our second meeting of accounting. And yeah, I'm pretty sure it's not going to be an orientation. So yeah, I'm going to have to take notes now. You know, accounting is the subject that I'm most worried about. It's the subject that I'm most worried about. I don't know. Also, there's been so much groupings that I don't know which is which anymore. I don't even know what I'm trying to do right now. I checked back again on the video, and yes, my eyes are really bad right now because of my bags, my eye bags, and my eyes are really swollen, so I look like an alien right now. It's because I cried last night because I missed sugar. So yeah, that's why my eyes look really bad right now. As you can see, I'm downstairs. That's because I'm having my class here. My last class of the day, which is PE. And yeah, I need to do like a full body shot. We actually still have like 23 minutes left before our class, so I'm just gonna chill on my yoga mat. My eyes look fine. I mean, they don't look as swollen as a while ago, that's for sure. But they're still bags, duh, because I barely got any sleep. Because like I said, I was crying last night.